this here is our prototype for the ping pong ball launcher. What we've done is we've used a simple hinge here, like a cabinet door hinge, with 4 screws, 2 into the base plate and 2 up into the launch arm. We've covered the extruding ends of the screws with some hot glue so that we don't poke ourselves. Here we have the uprights with an adjustable block arm. So this is going to be where the arm of the catapult actually stops, and this will let us adjust how far the ping pong ball will launch. We'll raise and lower it using these nuts attached to the bolts, and then this should help us dial in the distance. We've used a PVC cap that will be big enough to hold the ping pong ball to launch it, and then what we're considering after having looked at this prototype is that we might need some guardrails of some variety here, because as you can see, this hinge is not totally tight, and when it'll actually move back and forth, which this could definitely change our accuracy and the ability to hit a target 10 feet away that is 6 inches. And then we are going to use a rubber band hooked around these 2 ends of the PVC block arm. They're going to loop around behind this launch arm, and then when we want to launch, it will be resting up here. We'll pull it back and release it, and it will launch the ping pong ball. We may have to have a peg on the back to make sure that the rubber bands can not slide all the way down the arm here, and then we may have to adjust how strong the rubber bands are, adding more or less of them, and like I said, having the guide arms to make sure our aim is on point. But other than that, here's our prototype, and we look forward to showing you more progress in the next video.